Welcome everyone, welcome back my channel. Today I'm going to meet Mr. Burhan and we will go an hour way. I'm going to buy new computer. Sorry guys for this noisy. It was really noisy outside, so I just decided to do voiceover from here, from my room. I just was saying today I'm going to meet my friend Mr. Burhan, and in our way we're going to buy a new computer because actually, you know, my old laptop cannot help me anymore for editing. It's very old laptop, so I just decided to buy a new computer, and the old one I will just throw it away. I'll just give it, like, if I have some small little work outside I will do it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment me anything you want me to do, anywhere you want me to go in Dubai. Please just put comment. Alright, let's get back to the video. They are playing. Oh my god, look at the motorcycle, how many deliveries. Noon. Oh yo, Mr. Burhan, how are you bro? What's up? How is everything?
Everything's great.
Nice helmet, bro. I'm going rigga. I will buy a computer for my editing.
Okay.
Let's go. Here it's very nice area. Dude, look at the traffic. Can you imagine if we have car, we are stuck here? Oh my god. Guys, this is the scooter power. You don't need to be stuck in the traffic. Look at this, oh my god. Yeah. Whoa, it's doing wheelie. Dude, he doesn't care about the pump. Whoa, look guys. God damn it, it's very near. Emirates Airline, let's go. Whoa, look at him. He's just flying. Look at him guys, he don't care about the bump. Just keep going. Actually guys, by the way, he's a motorcycle rider also, not only scooter. This guy. You. He's imagining himself driving motorcycle right now. Look at this car guys, wow. Let's see if he wanna rest. Wow. Damn, this car. I believe this 500 horsepower.
Really?
Look at this, so many nice cars guys here. God damn. Whoa, how many nice cars here. Oops. Oh my god.
لا حمود بروح امك بروح امك لا بروح امك بروح
I think I need the wall motor. What is that? You are lucky, dude. Your scooter it's very light, but for me I cannot. Here we are, Murakkabat. This is Murakkabat. Guys, this is the most popular area in Dubai. Wow. Oh wow.
There's a Ninja 400
This
in
is
there.
electric or petrol?
No, these are motorcycles.
Wow, really?
Yeah, that one's a Ninja 400. This one's Ninja 400.
Whoa, look at this, guys.
400.
Look what he just found here. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's Ninja 400.
Okay, let's move. Let's move, let's move. Do you know this area? This area, the most popular area in Dubai.
Really?
Yeah, especially in the night time. Huh?
Is this near Barsha?
No, Barsha very far. This Dira, Rigga, Murakkabat. But we need to remove the sensor. The problem for me, even if I disconnect that sensor, I have no brakes. So it's useless.
Yeah, I could have pushed something. Can't even do that.
It's very heavy, Lul. Woohoo! It's very heavy. This scooter need bodybuilder guy.
This is the end.
Is it airplane?
Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know if it's showing in the video. I'm not sure. This is Rigga. Yeah. Okay guys, we just reached. This is the shop. Let's go and see. Do you have like PC for everything?
I have one piece.
You have one this? That's good. Oh wow, look at this guy.
It's good color.
So cute.
Bright color. Yeah, this was for like 5th generation and 16 GB RAM. 8 GB graphics card.
How much is this?
Yeah, this one's good. I will give you one. I will give you this one. This one I say the last price. It's 1 1, but I will give you this price. I give you 50. This price.
I take it.
Deal.
Deal. Okay guys, I just direct find what I want. It's so cute computer, so small, and for i5 that's what I need. That's enough, more than enough for me. So let's see, he will just prepare for me, and after I finish, let's see again.
Bro, the throttle is what?
Yeah.
How many kilometers for full charge?
It depends how you drive, but it's around 120.
No, I mean full battery. How many kilometers?
120 around
120
yeah,
kilometers?
Yeah.
But the speed,
Very high speed. 100.
100.
110, 120 also. Yeah. ها؟ على هذيك. مو هون هيك يعني تحت. Put tape. No problem. No need. We'll just put tape here, and because I'm a little afraid maybe it will fall down in the way. Thank you so much. By the way, this is my friend Muhammad. He's working here. This is the shop. It's Kabayan shop in Rigga, in front of Rigga station. If you would like to buy anything, phones or fix, you will get very nice service. Okay, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Okay. I think it's good. Even if I go fast, no problem now. Let's go from here. He's stuck. It's very busy road. He's stuck right there. Okay, we're going back now. Let's go and try this computer. Keep going inside, inside. You heard the car?
You got one, right? I mean the bridge, right? You're talking about inside. I mean the
Under there, yeah. Okay, bro. Thanks for coming
super
today.
fun, actually.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Thanks for coming today.
Yeah, of course. The next time also I'll come. Anytime.
Yeah. Every time, inshallah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, why not? Okay, guys, my friend is just going now. Mr. Burhan. He's just going back. Because my way from here, his way from here. So, let's go.
Oh, no. I gotta go this way.
You can?
Yeah. Straight this way.
That's good. Let's go.
What street is this?
Sorry?
What street is this?
This I don't know, but here Al-Qiyada Street. But here I don't know. But from here better for you. Oh shit. Okay guys, here we are. Look what we got. Okay, finally I got the computer. I will open it now. Here we have this scissor. We will open this. Let's go. I'm working only one hand. Here we are. Now we are ready to open. Wow, 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 wow. So cute computer. Okay guys, we will see the computer in 3, 2, 1. Ho ho, look at this. 16 GB RAM, Core i5 generation 6, and a graphic card 8 GB. Very freaking nice. And 1 TB SSD. And we've got here, I have one more magic. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Whoa. Oh, so freaking nice color. It's RGB color. Actually, I already also have this mouse pad. It's RGB color. And I have here behind my TV also, I just bought some lights. This is before, not now. This is the new things. Look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just finished. I managed everything, the cables, the table, everything. I'm sorry, look at this, missing my row. I'm really sorry, but I just finished. Like, just finished the table. So let's try it. Let's try. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I got scared because the power off. Oh my god, I got scared. What happened? Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Congrats. wait. Fix this. Okay. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Wait. I will off the light. It will be much better. For sure there is a share, but it's here. My room, it's missing right now. Okay, let's close the light. Wow. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Look at this. So freaking beautiful. Whoa. What's this? Please press or F2 to enter BIOS settings. I don't want BIOS settings. Why? What happened? Yeah, I just fixed it. I don't know what happened. They need like BIOS settings, but I just fixed it. So it's working now. Oh my god. Very nice. Now I need to set up everything, prepare all what I need, then we will be ready. Thank you so much for watching, and you are absolutely legendary who stayed until this moment. See you next video. Bye bye.